on fun box number 2, I think. So this came to me from Phoenix, Arizona. I received it November 21st, 2023. Let's go ahead and cut this. Alright, this is a heavy box. So I ordered this November 17th. I probably used a $20 off coupon. So I'm not sure what my cost of goods would have been on it, but it would have been fantastic. I think I would have paid like $10 for this box. So. Oh, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Alright. Wow. I've been getting some great boxes. I'm going to leave that till the end. Let's go with the mundane. A New Day sweater tights, 1 pair, size small. Okay. Then we've got a pair of, what brand is this? Pink, Kinder to the Planet. I would assume these are bathing suit bottoms. Not sure. I'll do a little research, but I believe they are swimsuit bottoms. Alright, so that's good. New with the tag. Okay, we've got a padded bra. Another Victoria's Secret. New with the tag. This one's not as padded as that last one, but wow. Alright, let me put that receipt away. Massimo Supply Company. A pair of fingerless gloves. Mittens? Gloves? Can you call them mittens if there's no fingers? I don't know. But that's great. It's cold here in Chicago. Alright. I don't know which one to get out next. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks like a Coach to me. There is some wear to it. It is suede. I'm not sure if it's Coach. Yes, it is. It is a Coach little carrying bag. Definitely not big enough for a cell phone, but still good. Alright. Then we have another Coach. Wow. We have a black Coach purse, and it has a handle. Yay! Alright. Oh, I'm not sure if it's this or something else. It might be the leather smell. I'm not positive, but it's cute. I'll have to do a little research on it. So, Coach, not bad. Alright. Then we got a belt. It is gold tone. Reminds me of the 80s. It's super thin. Okay, take that out. Yes, I had a belt like this in the 80s. This one is super tiny though, so I guess. Wow, yeah, that's super tiny. I'd wear it as a necklace if I could, but I don't think I could because I think this would fall off. But yeah, it is a teeny tiny belt. Alright, we've got a pair of monkey pajamas. Okay, it's not these that smell. Monkey size extra large. They feel like a flannel. They are adorable. And matching pants. Look at these. Oh my god, you guys. What size are these? These are an extra large. How sweet are those? Alright. Which one should we do? Alright. Solstice glasses. It says Smith. I've gotten Smith before in one of my other fun boxes a couple months ago. They have some minor scratching, but not bad. So I'll do a little research. And some of the Smith glasses sell pretty well. Alright. Michael Kors. Oh my goodness. Look at that watch. Wow. Wow. New with the tag, you guys. I think I saw one of these, and I think they sell for $300. It looks like it's got all the paperwork in there. Wow. Is it working? Let's see. Probably just needs a battery. There might be some wear there. I'm not sure if there's wear. It shouldn't be. It's new with the tag, so I don't know. Maybe a little discoloration, but boy, wow. This is a great box. Oh my goodness. So we got the Michael Kors watch. This thing is so heavy. The sunglasses. We got the Coach. We got the adorable doggy pajamas. Oh my goodness. We got the incredibly teeny tiny belt from the maybe 70s. It might have fit me in the 70s, but definitely not now. We've got the mittens, gloves, I'm not sure. We've got the other Coach. We've got Victoria's Secret. We've got the pink. And we have, I want to make sure that's everything. And the sweater tights. Wow, what a great box, you guys. I am pleasantly surprised. So if you are interested in any of these items, I will have prices up here or over there. Not quite sure, but I will have a green screen at the end. And if you are interested, you can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All right, you guys. Well, I have a couple more to do, so I will see you real soon. Bye.